Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself.
Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. I'm of the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash through the surface when they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow. Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
You should be in bed. I am going to my grandmother's house to take her this little basket with some bread and milk. It is a fantastic idea. Pick flowers for your grandma. You are so cute. Take your time and pick a big bunch of flowers. Take care, sweetie. Thank you, Mr. Book. You are so nice. Bye, little red. Bye-bye, Mr. Book.
I'm the second little pig and my name is Sophie. Hi, I'm the third little pig and my name is Lucy.
the USA government use it to deport or to let people enter in.
We received the immigrants with the help of an interpreter. We are going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. We are going to do a random selection, so stay tuned and don't make me lose time. And now pass to...
Actually, this is the last part of your job. You left your home in Europe a long time ago, and you took a boat to Ellis Island. You left all your things at the Louis room, and you passed both the legal and the medical exam, and you are about to enter in the United States of America.